My name is Mr. Jack and I am Head of Department for Industrial Technology and Design at Corinda. At Corinda, Industrial Technology and Design is an elective subject from Year 7 to 9, and in Year 10 is called Introduction to Design. Prior knowledge of 3D printing or graphical skills are not necessary, as the basics of this technology are reviewed. Students should possess a basic level of sketching abilities. The Certificate 2 in Manufacturing Technology aims to give students the skills to pursue a career in the growing of advanced manufacturing and engineering technology industries. Students will learn to utilize emerging manufacturing and engineering technologies such as 3D printers and 3D modeling and design software. With the emergence of makerspace and global push towards manufacturing, this subject will position students with the skills for jobs of tomorrow. We have many visitors to our school, and you will have the opportunity to meet and interact with other international as well as Australian students who enjoy studying manufacturing technology or other based subjects. A course of study in manufacturing technology can establish marketable skills for further education and employment within the trade industry. Studying Certificate 2 in Manufacturing Technology at Corinda is engaging, meaningful and rewarding. We hope you will give it a go.